Moving into Skoda Auto. Skoda's got a couple of cars that I'm really interested in. Now that's the Octavia Rs. I believe this is the current generation, which is already on sale. Really love the wheels on that one. And then we have Skoda Kodiak. Again, this car is already there, so not going much into it. What we really want to see is the Skoda's new Octavia, which was, I believe it was launched a couple of days ago in India, but it has been launched a few days ago abroad. So this is the Skoda Superb. Skoda is moving more towards a sporty design from their usual classy and very formal looking design. They're now moving with a stronger grille, and you see, one thing I'd like to point out to you is this is the same car in the red. Looks really sporty and aggressive, but the same car there in a much more kind of like a chocolate brown color, and there it looks more like a luxury sedan. So that's also Skoda Superb L and K. They've got this old style feature sets, which I like because easier to read, not electronic. So we've got a 2.0 2-liter TSI petrol, obviously 190 horsepower, 7-speed DSG transmission, and it's turbocharged direct injection petrol engine. And we've got 140 or 140 kilowatts of power, 190 horsepower, and that coming in at around 4,200 to 6,000 RPM. We've got a 320 millimeters of torque. That's coming in 1,500 to 4,200. That's the top band. And 0 to 100 is 7.7 seconds. Maximum speed is 240 kilometers. I believe that's electronically limited. And Skoda's got one of their old vehicles over there, the classic cars. Let's take a look at that. Stay tuned, guys, because we are going to move into the new. So this is the new car. So this is the Skoda Superb OHV from 1948. Kind of reminds me of the game Mafia, if you have played Mafia or Mafia 2. Cars from that era. So yeah, that's a Skoda Superb OHV from 19. Huge cars they used to make back then even. Okay, moving into the newly launched compact SUV. This is still in the concept. I wouldn't call it a launch. This is a vision in concept. We'll just stand here and let the car do all the talking. So 19-inch wheels. I've heard that this SUV will soon be coming to India. Obviously not with the 19-inch wheels, but just looks gorgeous the way it is. And if it is launching with this kind of interiors and everything, I believe this is one car to look out for. I really want you guys to see the interiors. So we are going to go up and to spin once more. Really amazing. Look at that matrix LED kind of tail lamps. First started with the Audi, now they have come to this as well. Just a gorgeous looking SUV. I hope you can see the interiors. Two-tone orange and grey interiors. I wish we could get a closer look, but that is, I don't know if it's possible. Probably not, since the car is so far away. But it's just amazing the way it is. We'll try to get a zoom in. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, that's all we can do. So that's the Skoda Vision in concept. I really like this one. But we have got a lot of things to cover. So we'll have to move on. Would have liked to stay and really get to feel this car. Okay, by the way, this is the rear of the Super OHV. Moving on to the next cars from Skoda. I'm looking for the new Octavia actually. So that's the Rapid in a very matte gray concept. Obviously we're going to need a lot more light for you guys to properly see this car. So increasing the light for you guys. So that's the Skoda Rapid, and that's the matte grey Skoda Rapid. Try to look at the entire car from the top. I like this colorway. The matte grey looks great. So this is the usual Skoda Rapid which you can buy, so I'm not going that much into it. It's kind of like a red, but it's looking orange here. Here I've changed the color. That's the proper color. The red. Existing Skoda 1.0 TSI Monte Carlo edition. I believe it's about 140 horsepower, but it's not written here. Anyways, doesn't matter. So both of these concepts are 1.0 liters. I would have liked the 1.4 liter version, which is around 140 horsepower. This would be probably a lower spec version. So still looking for the new Skoda Octavia, or Octavia, whatever you want to call it. The RS is there, but not the new Octavia, which is a little disappointing. Try to ask someone from Skoda about it. Excuse me, is the new Octavia there? The new Octavia? No, the newly launched one. This one is the new one. Okay, so they're saying this is the Octavia RS, which is the newly launched variant. Yes, I thought it was the standard version, standard Octavia new version, but this is actually the new Octavia RS. They're saying this is 245 horsepower stock. Okay, so that's 245 horsepower, and just increase the light for you guys a little bit so you can see the color. I really like this colorway, and I love those wheels. So that's the Octavia. These are such big cars, I have to move back to show you guys. Sorry about that, almost fell. So that's the new Octavia. Take a look. We'll take a look at the specs. So let's take a look at the specs. It's turbocharged, direct injection, petrol engine, 2 2-liter petrol, which is providing 245 PS and maximum 370 Newton meters of torque. 0 to 100 in 6.6 seconds. That's great. 250 kilometers per hour, electronically limited, so you can definitely tune in the ECU and increase all of that. We've got VRS mode, we've got virtual cockpit, hands-free parking, 9 airbags, iBus, ABS, ESC and MKB. Lots of safety features, Quadra LED headlights with AFS, LED DRLs and LED tail lights, panoramic electronic sunroof, 8-inch touchscreen, and we've got 12-way electronically adjustable front sport seats, black Alcantara upholstery, which was already there on the previous car, and premium paddles. This is like the accelerator and all that they're talking about. Super sport steering wheel, 2-zone climate control, AC, ambient lighting, which is already there in their existing Skoda car, existing standard Octavia as well. So feature packed car, and pricing is not available, but I guess it will be above 30 lakhs. Current version is around 30 lakhs, so this one with a little bit more power is good. I'll just show you the wheels close up. That's amazing. The wheels are amazing. So, and I don't know which brake calipers they're using, but the wheels, I believe these are 18-inch.
This is D1. This is Rally Sport. Always Octavia comes in a Rally Sport. Yeah.
Horse.
TFSI.
So that's that. Saying goodbye from the Skoda booth. Now I was expecting the standard Skoda Octavia latest launched in Europe, but they're saying maybe the same car is coming with an RS badge. I'm not really confident about that one. Moving into the next, which probably is the Volkswagen booth.